Welcome to today's video. If you have ever wondered why marketeer says content is king, this is for you. We will explore how the quality, relevance and freshness of your content directly influence your SEO performance. Search engines exist to deliver the most relevant, high quality answers to users. Content is the bridge between your website and your audience. It tells Google what your site is about and why it deserves to rank. Your content must match the search intent of audience. If someone searches best budget hotels in Pushkar, your article should directly answer that query, not drift to unrelated topics. Keywords guide search engine to understand your content. Proper keyword research and natural placement help your pages show up for relevant searches without falling into keyword stuffing trap. Google rewards content that is well written, accurate and trustworthy. This is where EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness comes into play. Outdated content can hurt rankings. Regularly updating your articles with new data trends and examples signals to search engines that your website is active and reliable. Longer content often performs better in SEO because it covers the topic in depth. However, the quality beats quantity. Only add more words if they add real value to the reader. Content gives you opportunity to link to other relevant pages on your site. Internal linking helps spread link equity, improve navigation, and signal topic relationships to Google. When visitors spend more time reading your content, click through to other pages and share your articles, it sends strong positive signals to search engines about your content quality. High quality visuals, videos and infographics make your content more engaging and shareable. Search engine values content that keeps user interested. Content is the backbone of SEO. If you want to rank higher, focus on creating relevant, engaging and regularly update content. If this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.